Hello. We've been working a lot lately on ways to combine or add two numbers together. When we roll two number cubes and find out how many dots there are, that's at one time when we've been adding numbers. Many students add the two numbers together when they play double compare. And we've been solving story problems about combining. Now let's think about some different strategies that we could use to combine two numbers. Let's think about what if we were playing roll and record and we rolled the cubes 4 and 3. Let's see what we would do to solve those problems. Let's see if I can fix this a little bit for you. All right, we're going to be looking at some strategies for 4 plus 3 equals 7. Well, one strategy could be count all. So you would look at the dots on the 4 cube and you would look at the dots on the other cube and you could count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's one strategy called counting all. Another strategy could be counting on. If you know that this is 4, you could say 4, 5, 6, 7. Another strategy to help you solve this problem is to use a fact you already know. Let me see if I can scoot this over for you a little bit. All right, use a fact you know. Maybe you know in your heart that 3 plus 3 equals 6. So if you know 3 plus 3 equals 6, you're going to know 3 plus 4 is going to equal 7. Since 4 is one more than 3, your sum here would be one more than 6. All right, what if you know in your heart that 4 plus 4 equals 8? So 4 plus 3 would equal 7. 3 is 1 less than 4, so your sum would be 1 less than 8. Or you might just know in your heart that 4 plus 3 equals 7. You just know it. So those are some different strategies that you can use to combine numbers in your workshops and in your games that you're playing.